I'm going to show you 8 movements you can do at your house, basement, living room, anywhere. You don't need no equipment, just a chair. Very simple, easy to do. Movements you can do basement, living room, office, doesn't matter. Very simple. You're looking at planks to push-ups right here. This is what we got. Opening up the gate, easy to do. We don't even need to go all the way down. You can do a small push-up or just straight to plank, then open the gate. Right here, also, we're looking at, you don't have to go all the way down. Like I said, you don't even have to hold the plank for that long. You just want to open the gate, come back down. If you can go all the way down, do a push-up, go all the way down. If not, just back to the hold for 2 count, back to opening up the gate. You want to do 10 to 15 gate opens for each side. Next movement, we're looking at broom step over. It's a cardio movement. It could be line step over. We're looking at 10 to 15 step overs each side. We're going to add this movement after every movement, link in the description. Now this is one of my favorite exercises, the arm circles. Pretty much will always see this in my workouts. Looking at joint mobility. If you're over 30, you want to add this in for your warm-up before you do any upper body exercise movements. And we want to get a minute each way. So a minute going forward, a minute coming back. And you feel the burn, you just want to continue. Small circles should be right around the size of a quarter if you're using your point finger to make the quarter. CC jumps or crisscross jumps. So this is a squat jump where we want to touch the ground, jump as high as we can, land on our toes, back down to our heels, going right back down into the squat, touch the ground, and repeat. We want to get 10 to 15 of these movements, and we want to do it within that 15-20 second period. Even if you're older and your mobility is not as good, you still want to just do the crisscross, squat down, come up, and do a calf raise. Next up, we got twist punch. Now this is a core movement. I do it with 5-pound dumbbells or boxing gloves, where we're just getting a nice stretch, a nice movement. Here with the twist punch, you want to be able to do 25 to 30 each way, and we want to move at a rate the fastest you can move. Here we have a full body movement with the side plank to butt up. Here you're going to work shoulders, core, hamstrings, main 3. And with this movement, you want to be able to shift up with velocity, come down control. 3 each way. You want to do 10 to 15 each side. Our second to last movement will be the diamond push-up, one of my favorite exercises as well. Anybody can do it. And for beginners, we want to do 50 reps, and advanced people, we want to do 100 reps. People focus is the triceps, and as you see, we don't have to go that far down. We do want to move as fast as possible though, okay? The last move will be bench dips or chair dips. Any chair, any bench, anybody can do this movement. You don't have to go all the way down. You're just looking at a slight movement. The next day, go a little bit farther. Let's do a quick recap. We got plank push-ups, broom step overs, arm circles, CC jumps, twist punches, side planks to butt ups, diamond push-ups. That's dips.